Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have data. Start by confirming it's numeric so Excel calculates correctly. Click the first cell and drag to select the full range, or Control plus click scattered cells when values aren't adjacent. Once selected, choose which function fits. Average for simple sets, average to filter one criterion, average for multiple conditions. Make sure to note blank cells and zeros. Excel ignores blanks but includes zeros. From here, you're ready to enter the formula bar and begin the calculation. Now type the formula, equals average, A2, A20 for a straightforward mean. If you need conditional averaging, type equals average, A2, A20, 0, or equals average, B2, B50, C2, C50, yes, D2, D50, greater or equal 50. Use cell references to keep results dynamic so changes update automatically. Once done, press enter and verify the result. If some entries are text or errors, wrap the call in IFER to display a friendly message or 0. This avoids after you get the average, validate it by computing SUM, A2, A20/count, A2, A20 to confirm the same number. This explains why results differ if they do. If you need a static snapshot, copy the cell and paste special values to lock the number. Make sure filters or hidden rows aren't excluding data unexpectedly. If something goes wrong, check for text-formatted numbers and remove stray spaces. Cleaning data usually resolves incorrect averages quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.